Hi, today we're going to be reviewing our reading comprehension. So let's go ahead and read and answer the questions. This is a close reading passage. It is called The Perfect Planet. Have you ever wondered why is there life on Earth? Scientists haven't found any other planet that can support life. Earth can support life because of its unique features. These features include water, a livable climate, and a protective, breathable atmosphere. No other planet that we know of has features quite like Earth. Without water, there would be almost no life on Earth. Luckily, water is abundant on our planet, covering more than half of Earth's surface. Most living things, including humans, need water to live. Humans can only survive about a week without water. Water is also important because almost all living things are made up of it. For example, a human body is about 60% water. An animal's body is about 75% water. Plants are about 90% water. Without water, life on Earth wouldn't exist. Besides water, Earth also has a climate that supports life. Earth's climate is ideal for living things because Earth is just the right distance from the sun. It's close enough to receive sunlight, but far enough that we don't burn up. If Earth were further from the sun like Mars, people would freeze to death. Temperatures there can drop to negative 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Plants and animals would die, and people would need protective suits. If Earth were closer to the sun, like Venus, it would be much too hot. The temperature on Venus is around 900 degrees Fahrenheit. In that heat, Earth's water would dry up and no living things could survive. Another reason there is life on Earth is because of its atmosphere, which is the air that surrounds Earth. Living things depend on the atmosphere for two reasons. It contains helpful gases, and it also protects living things. Earth's atmosphere contains oxygen, a gas that most living things need to breathe. It also contains carbon dioxide, a gas that regulates the temperature. It keeps Earth from getting too hot or too cold. The atmosphere also protects us from the sun's harmful rays. The gases in the atmosphere create a screen over 6,000 miles thick. The screen blocks most of the sun's dangerous rays, but lets helpful heat and light through. Without water, a livable climate, and a protective, breathable atmosphere, Earth would be a lifeless rock. Life can't exist without this unique mix of features. Scientists have studied many planets. However, they haven't found any that can support life quite like Earth. Before we move on to the questions, it's important to stop and look at any text features you see. And if you noticed a photograph or an illustration, that is a text feature. Let's look at the caption underneath. Impacts from large asteroids and comets could harm life on Earth. Luckily, Earth's atmosphere protects against them. According to NASA, an automobile sized asteroid hits the atmosphere about once a year but burns up before reaching Earth's surface. Let's look at the questions now. Number 1. According to the text, why does Earth have a better climate to support life compared to Mars or Venus? A. Scientists haven't found any other planet that can support life. B. Earth has a better climate to support life compared to Mars or Venus because it is just the right distance from the sun. C. Water is abundant on our planet, covering more than half of Earth's surface. D. No other planet that we know of has features quite like Earth. Number 2. According to the text, why is water important to human life, animal life, and planet life? A. Human body is about 60% water. B. Animal's body is about 75% water. C. Besides water, Earth also has a climate that supports life. Or D. Water is important to human life, animal life, and plant life because they all need water to survive. Number 3. What is the main idea of the text? A. Earth has a very special combination of features that allow life to exist. B. Scientists haven't found any other planet that can support life. C. There is life on Earth is because of its atmosphere. D. Scientists have studied many planets. Number 5. How are carbon dioxide and oxygen gases similar? A. They are both gases in Earth's atmosphere. B. Their atmosphere also protects us from the sun's harmful rays. C. The screen blocks most of the sun's dangerous rays, but lets helpful heat and light through. Or D. The gases in the atmosphere create a screen over 6,000 miles thick. Number 6. How are carbon dioxide and oxygen different? A. The atmosphere also protects us from the sun's harmful rays. B. Oxygen is a gas that most living things need to breathe. Carbon dioxide is a gas that regulates temperature and keeps Earth from getting too hot or too cold. C. The screen blocks most of the sun's dangerous rays, but lets helpful heat and light through. Or D. There is life on Earth is because of its atmosphere. Number 7. What does abundant mean as it's used in the text? A. Not much of something. B. The right amount. C. Too much. D. A large amount or having plenty of something. Number 8. What does ideal mean as it's used in the text? A. Perfect or just right. B. Bad. C. No real. D. Made up. Number 9. What does regulates mean as it's used in the text? A. To lose. B. To take out. C. To manage or keep something under control. D. To express. Next one. What is the text structure of the perfect planet? A. Compare and contrast. B. Sequence. C. Problem solution. D. Cause and effect. Or E. Description. Last but not least, the author believes that there wouldn't be life on Earth without the atmosphere. What details or evidence from the text did the author include to support this point? A. No other planet that we know of has features quite like Earth. B. If Earth were closer to the Sun, like Venus, it would be much too hot. C. The author explains that the atmosphere contains helpful gases. These gases include oxygen, which people need to breathe, and carbon dioxide, which regulates the temperature. Or D. Scientists have studied many planets. Okay, it's always important to go back and reread to help you with your questions. Once you're done, make sure to click submit.